Hey guys, good morning. I had to take down the other video because people were complaining about the noise and stuff, because I was trying to do that video at night. So I realized that, the video wasn't proper, so I had to take it down. But anyway, it's fine. So what I'm going to do now, I'll go back to that. Let me do this. I'll try to go back to this app and see exactly what was happening. Okay, it was a recap actually for Daniel yesterday, the one which worked properly, this strategy. I remember you guys have seen it. You know why I say 6? I just want to explain this one further on, because if we say August, for example, August, you see, if you count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 comes from what? From the August, so that you guys cannot be confused. And then this is what you do. You say 6 for the date, which was previous, plus 6 for August, plus 20, plus 25. 25 is the year, and then you multiply by 7, you're going to get 27, which came yesterday as 20 and 7. You see, and then you say plus date, plus bonus, which was 10. You'll get a what? A 217, which gave us a what? A 7, 12, and 20 is a 3 number. So as for today, we are focusing on this. So we're going to use yesterday's date, or the next draw is in the 8th, but we going to use what? Am I not confused here? I'm fine. We're going to use this date. Sorry guys. Going to use this date, 8. So you see, we're going to say 8 plus 6 plus 20 plus 25, which is going to give us a 208. 208, which, if we say 2 plus 8, 20 plus 8 is going to be 28. If we separate, it gives us a 12. Do you see that? And then when we say plus bonus, the previous bonus was 31. It will definitely give us a what? 239, which gives us the 23 and a 39. A 39, that is also what? A 36. Remember, they split these numbers sometimes and say 3, 6, or 39. Understand? So if you say 39 plus 2, it gives us a 41, which is a 14. 41. If you separate, it gives us a 37. So a 37 did drop yesterday, so we won't focus on 37. Instead, we're gonna go the left side. We get 36 there to be sure of what we're doing. Perfect. And then we go to that other last code, the bonus code 143. Bonus code 143. When I'm checking my analysis here, it shows me that there is 43 there. There is let me see, 14 plus that, it gives me a 17. So a 17 is dropped the other day, which means I'm going to say times 2. I'll get a 34. And then if I say 43 plus 1, it gives me 44. If I say 43 minus that, it gives me 42, which I'm going to expect a 24 instead of a 42. Do you see that, guys? It is another strategy that I just created and edited into the book for some other reasons, because I need you guys to boom. I need you guys to boom today. It is another day, so we're expecting. Remember, if a code is like 28, it means that an 8 is a good number there. A 28 is a good number, and a 12 or 21. Remember, because of a 12 dropped yesterday, so they might as well maybe split or spin this number and make it around as a 21. You know how UK49 people do, especially when it comes to splitting and spinning. And then when it comes to bonus, as you can see, there's 14, 3. So which means if we say 14, you know what they're going to do, these guys? They're very smart and clever. Let me show you what they do. They're going to do this. They'll say 1 minus 4, it gives us a 3. And then we say, if this one becomes a 3, which means you're going to have a 33 there. So let me just maybe put a set of bonuses that you guys can play. You can play 27 bonus, you can play 10 bonus, you can play 28 bonus, you can play 8 bonus, and then you can play 15 bonus. Like that. And I'm reminding you, today there's Powerball. There's a guy who hit Powerball like nobody's business today. Like last week. it was something else. So another thing that I've also noticed, as you can see that 13 has been so hot, this number. So this number will produce us a 26. Why? We say times 2, we get a 26. So the 26 will come from that 13. But I wonder if maybe they might try to say on this code, the 2, let me say 239. If you spin it to 236, which means they can say 3 6 28, 3 6 8 in that case, or you can say 2 3 6 8. You know, they're splitting the numbers. You know, when you split, what they do is they combine them, then they bring them as whole numbers, because you have to study these codes very, very carefully. So I'm like confident with 28. I'm very, very confident with that number 28, and 12 as well, because 12, if we see that 12 came yesterday, we can play the alternate of 12, which is 24. You know, there's this other color route, but I just think I explained it on the book. Those who have the books, it's a color wheel with colors from 1 to 49. So it will guide you. You see, if you check the 12, when you go to those colors, you check the 12 where it stands, and then you check the numbers that are on that line. Then you manipulate the ones that have dropped, and then the ones that haven't dropped. You'll actually figure it out on how you can track your numbers. Because there's this other thing that they call the hot and cold balls. Let me just give you a set of numbers: 8, 18, 3, 6, 28. I'm wondering if this 10 can come back, and then an 8 as well. And then let's see what else did I forget there, because I'm thinking about this 6. 24 can be the bonus ball today. 24 can be a good number, and the 49 I forgot. And then what else did I not do there? Remember, a 23 splits to 32. I'm just checking the numbers that I'm supposed to give you here to be accurate, and then the 21, the 15. Yeah, so take these numbers, put them in the Yankee or in the pairing app, and maybe then you try to pair them. Okay, let me put the bonus balls here. It's gonna be 24, 28, 10, and 8. Like this. These are the bonus balls. Let me just put something like this, so you guys can notice it. Yeah, so guys, this is what it is. You guys, you must come and support the team by getting the books. So if you're interested in the book, remember, you just go to the first comment. You'll see there's a link there. You come straight to me and then you request the book. But I don't want people who come to me and ask for numbers. I'm not selling numbers. I'm not working at UK. I'm just predicting the numbers as anyone else does. Understand? So the book is just for strategies. It's not for the numbers. You have to understand the fact. Thank you very much, guys.